I'm 17 years old. I have a secret. No one knows but me. My friends are coming to visit, and they don't know a thing. This is my story, and it starts now. The guest room is right to the right. Just keep going. It's right there. Alright guys, well I'm gonna go take a shower, but just get settled in and I'll see you guys later.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
No one has to know.
Nobody has to know. Nobody has to know about the psycho.
I have to go to the bathroom. Joey, come here. What is all this?
I have no idea.
Well, it must be someone in the house is.
It's not mine.
Well, it's not mine either.
Who's could it be?
I don't know. Let's go tell the rest.
Let's go.
Come on.
What's wrong, guys? What happened?
Ask Joe.
Me and David found pills. Saturday.
We don't know whose pills they are.
Well, it couldn't be us. We were down here.
Well, I guess it must be the person not in this room.
Who?
Could
It be.
must be Anthony.
What are you looking for? Those aren't my pills. Why'd you tell them it was my pills?
I didn't say anything.
You're a liar!
No, I'm not.
I'm not doing anything. What are you doing?
I thought I heard something, so I was going downstairs to check.
I didn't hear anything.
Okay, I'll just go back to bed now. Where's the Joey? Joey, where are you going?
Oh my god! Ah!
Oh, Gina, come on, I just want to talk. Yeah, please.
Gina got away, the others all murdered by me, but the bodies were never found. But me, I was never caught, and no one's seen me since. I'm sorry for killing them, but they knew too much. It's over and I'm gone now, and a little psycho, but no one has to know.